Hello friends, hope you're having a great weekend. Today is 22nd June 2025 and today we are going to do a pre-market analysis on gold. Before going to the session, I would strongly suggest that you go and watch last week's pre-market analysis which was done on 15th June 2025. On 15th June 2025, I already mentioned that here at this point there is a hidden POI at 3445 range. If we zoom in, you can see the range which is 3445. The market was at this place, same place where the market has tabbed. So you can see this, it's the same area. So when the market closed last week, I already mentioned that by drawing a path, I already mentioned that gold will come to this demand zone, and after that there are chances that gold will go higher. So let's see what happened after that. From the mentioned point, which is 3430, I believe this is the same area. Let's see. 3440, 3342 range, same area. Okay. So from there, let's see what happened. Market started falling and have reached our demand zone, and the market is currently inside the demand zone which I have mentioned, or we have mentioned on the last week, which is from 3378 to 3338. Here you can see 3376-78 range to 3338 or 39 range. So what will happen next? Before that, I got a call from multiple people that they were mentioning that, sir, I took an entry here, I took an entry over here, and because we got a news that there is a war going on between Iran and Israel. So last week when I mentioned, when I posted this video, the geopolitical conditions were already mentioned by me also, but still I told the market would come here, and if it comes here, I have mentioned that there are chances that market would go higher. Then I don't know still why people love to buy on the supply zones. My dear friends, let me be very clear. Always avoid taking buy entries on the supply areas. Supply areas are sell zones and the demand areas are the buy zones. In demand OB, you need to buy, and on the supply area, you need to sell, or you need to stop your, trading there if you are if you hold any buy positions. So what happens next? My dear friends, while checking, this analysis will be very short because as of now, you know that lot of geopolitical situations are happening, which is Israel-Iran war is happening, and we got a news that Trump has attacked the key nuclear sites of Iran, and all over the news, this news is running right now. So as of now, everyone knows that if there is a war going on, the market of gold, the currencies will go down and the market of gold will go higher. The demand of gold will go higher. So if you ask me, currently gold is bullish. Still I would say gold is bullish. But looking into the technical aspects, market has tapped on a hidden POI or a point of interest or a supply zone, and market has reacted. Right now gold is in a demand zone. Okay. And if you check next week news, that is if you in investing.com, if you are checking the next week news, you can see we have news on every day: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. All the days we are having news. So what does this indicate? If you ask me, will you trade? I would say no, I won't trade, because I will be out of market, because I have already taken, me along with all our students and our followers have earned almost a pips of 3000, maybe let's see, 3287 pips. 32,870 means 3287 pips. That is not a small amount. Some people have earned more than this as well. The scalpers have earned more pips than this. So while we are in that much profit, what is the need of buying in a supply zone? That is my thought. So I am out of market, but still the people who would like to trade, this analysis is for them. So from here, my analysis is that gold will reach minimum to this point initially. Okay, this is a supply zone which is from 3422 to 3451. This is the initial supply zone I would tell that gold will reach. Okay, so there are chances that gold will go like this, maybe come down and tap on this area and maybe come down, take a support. We can't say what will happen after this, but minimum there are chances that gold will come to this area, which is 3422 range. But I would like to be more precise, or to be on safe zone. I would say you can become safe from this area to this area, which is 3410 area. So if anyone is holding a trade from here, it will give you almost minimum around 450 pips or something like that. This is my analysis. If you are trying to take an entry here, you should be very careful, and you should understand that there are a lot of news happening. Geopolitical conditions are becoming worse day by day. We can't say what will happen, but still this is a technical analysis. Also, if this range breaks, what might happen? If this range is breaking, it is still in the hidden POI or a supply area. This is a supply, hidden supply area. We can say hidden supply area. HIDDEN SUPPLY area, supply area. Okay, this is a hidden supply area. Okay, from here, market will go and tap again, and from here we can't say what will happen. But I'll tell you a precise location where area where the market would come. So if you go to the 1 hour time frame, we can see that here there is a small supply area, tiny supply area, which is the all-time high zone, where if you go and see from 3472 to 3500, this range is a good supply area. So if the market is breaking this area, which is 4110 to 3410 range to 3451 range, again market would maybe take a support and go and tap here. So this is what I feel right now. My dear friends, as loyal students and as loyal viewers, you know that last 1 month analysis, or the time since we started posting videos, all of us have earned good amount of money, good amount of pips. The zones which we mentioned, from that zones itself you have earned lot of cash, lot of dollars maybe. But I won't be always correct, because I am no one to predict the market. This is all technical analysis, and this is all probabilities. We can only speak about the probabilities. So my final analysis is that market from here, it would go to this area initially, and from here we can't say what happened. But if this area breaks, then there are chances that market would go and tap this area, and from here gold might fall down, or it might go higher as well. Anyway, let's wait and see. Also, I would like to mention this fib zone and one hour demand zone as well, because if in case there are some bad news which is coming, which is affecting gold, I found out that there is a small fib zone at this area, and a 1 hour demand at this area as well. We need to keep an eye on this area as well. We are not sure that it would come to this area, but I have just mentioned it so that you can keep an eye on it. So my dear friends, this is all for this week. Trade safe. A good trader is a person who knows where to enter and where to exit, when to trade and when not to trade. So right now I'm completely out of market, because I have taken good profit, 3200 pips in the last 1 month, and I'm happy with it. This analysis are for the people who would like to scalp or who would like to do some short-term tradings. Thank you so much guys, and all the best.